What is a second charge mortgage and why would you apply for one? A second charge mortgage is essentially a second mortgage by a different lender on your property. But why would you apply for a second charge mortgage? Because typically the interest rates are always higher than the first charge mortgage because it's a higher risk to them. The reason you would apply for a second charge mortgage is if your current lender will not lend you any additional money. Now that could be for home improvements and you are looking to buy a 30, 40, 50,000 pound and your current lender says no because perhaps there's been a change in your circumstances. Maybe your credit profile had deteriorated. Maybe you've gone from being employed to self-employed and you've only got 1 year's accounts. Whatever the scenario, there are other options for you to raise money rather than smashing up credit cards or applying for personal loans, which the interest rate are obviously going to be significantly higher. Okay. And it's important to understand that, especially if your credit profile has deteriorated or if you're in a fixed rate period, you don't want to remortgage away to a new lender and pay penalties, okay? Just to borrow a small amount of money. Now, it could be the second charge lender is going to charge you 8, 9, 10% on the interest rate, which is a lot of money. But surely it's better to pay a much higher interest rate for 30,000 than pay potentially 7% on the interest rate or 6% on 300,000, right? Because you may have an old mortgage where the interest rate, if you're one of the lucky ones, is still 1-2%. If that's the case, you definitely don't want to give that up, not for the sake of raising £30,000. So second charge mortgages are not for everyone. And obviously, if you are looking to raise additional funds, the first thing you should always do is contact your existing lender, because if they will give you the money, then obviously it's going to be significantly cheaper. Hey YouTube, hoping you're finding the content useful. If you are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, do share with anybody that can use my help.